Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of these videos, guys. I always say it, I make these videos out of gratitude, and in the second half is where the money's at. I'm going to share with you guys a ticker symbol that I've been watching. It's already made us 10% plus 2 times this week alone. I've talked about it earlier this week, and as well as I'm going to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. If that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, to see the live updates on the stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. Now here we are with SOS Limited, SOS stock. It actually was running in pre-market and it pulled right back down and sitting right now at 318, guys. We got some important things to look at. This is in tug of war zone, but that momentum it had built as it was pulling upwards has actually now just kind of sat sideways in a quiet consolidation period of either waiting for the next catalyst to reach newer highs or further pull down to newer lows, because we are in bearish territory. So the first thing is the 50-day moving average, 326. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. Now, the first resistance level the bulls have to break through to get closer to the 50-day moving average is 320. But that's just a momentum indicator to let us know where this is heading and if the bulls are getting one step closer to the 50-day moving average to end up in bullish territory. So it's going to be important to watch this carefully and see what's going on. Now, our support here is 309. Guys, if 309 gets broken through, we really want to watch this carefully, because this could start to head to newer lows, new support levels, and work further away from the 50-day moving average, giving the bears a lot more leverage. So definitely important. I think it's one of the most important points going into tomorrow to see if there's further weakness or further strength if this breaks through 320. Now, if 320 does get broken through, it does not signify or guarantee that the bulls have gained control. That is just an indicator of momentum to the upside. But the bulls truly need to break through 326. And their next goal is the highest point before the dip. And that is up here at 334. 334 needs to be turned into a support and pulled away from, so the bulls can pull away from the 50-day moving average and reach newer highs and new resistance levels. Super key points for tomorrow. And these cues are important, especially with the way this stock has been reacting. And it's really close to hitting newer lows if it does not maintain leverage or control here. So we need to see, we're in bearish territory. It is in tug of war zone. So we must watch this one closely going into tomorrow. Now, all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I'm going to share with you guys the ticker symbols I watched this morning and how they reacted, as well as a ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list and what it's done for us already and how it's reacting currently. So the ticker symbol I have for you guys today is one that I mentioned earlier this week and over at the Patreon this weekend, and it's already up 10% from hitting its lows, guys. We're going to talk about that in just a moment, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. We're consistently looking for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is our home runs. And that's what we do no matter where the stock market is moving. So if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, the link to the Discord is down below in the description. And we look forward to having you join us. So VTGN was one of the first ones I talked about. It was sitting at 257 when I started watching it. And PDSB was another one that was sitting at 637. So let's look at these charts and see how they reacted. So PDSB, when I mentioned it, was at 637. It pulled back and it hit a low here, right? Pretty close to 592 and hit a high here of 720, giving a highest point of 10% to 15% plus on the day, guys. Almost 20% reaching that high. But within that whole trajectory, there was enough room to make 5 to 10% and 10 to 15% or 15 to almost 20% on that run. Great opportunity here with this one. All you got to do, which is what I always say, it's the stop loss, which is the cost of trying, right? Go ahead, watch it within the weakness, And if it seems like an opportunity, you go ahead, you try it out, you put your stop loss limit order. That's the cost of trying. If you get kicked out, you call it a day and move on. And if you don't, you ride through the volatility until you feel comfortable on taking profits, right? That's what we do. Maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, our second one is right here, and that was BTGN. I mentioned it at 257, ran up a little bit, pulled back pretty hard, and within that first run, giving us 10% plus opportunity, pulled back again, giving a 10 to 15% plus opportunity as well. This was phenomenal. These two were great day opportunities within regular day opportunities in those runs. And that's what we look for every single day, guys. And weekly as well with the stocks I mentioned over at the Patreon with my weekly watch list. So here we are with CLOV. Okay. This is the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. CLOV. So I talked about this one on the weekend. I talked about it on Monday, right? Hit a low here of 660, ran up, right? All the way up to 720, pulled back again, hitting 650s, and now it's been running and it's up 10%. It gave a 10% opportunity here and another 10% opportunity here. When you do the math, if you swing traded it both times, that gave 20% plus for the week, guys. That's what a lot of investors are expecting over the course of a year. That's what we do in days and weeks, guys. That's what we continue to plan on doing and striving for, and we will continue to do as a community over at Invest for Tomorrow Discord. And we look to maximize profits, minimize losses with execution and timing. That's what it's all about. But CLOV, right? CLOV stock is a stock you want to add to your watch list regardless of the swing trade opportunities to see if it continues to consolidate, right, within this area or have further weakness and pull back before the next catalyst that's going to bring it back up to newer highs and new resistance levels, because this stock has had some great news going for it, but it's been short-selled, attacked by hedge funds, by Hindenburg. Also, earnings was not as great as expected. So there's just some things right now in the short term affecting this stock. But in the long term, if you do your research, you do your due diligence, and you see what the analysis ratings are saying, this stock seems to have potential. But this is a win-win for those that are long, trying to catch and keep their average costs as low as possible, this stock, or those that are swing trading, catching these opportunities of 5 to 10% within those runs, guys. I want you guys to add these stocks to your watch list and stay tuned on in always, guys. I'm sharing with you guys opportunities that I share with my same Patreons and Discord members. You're just not getting it in live update. You're going to get it either after market closes or when I post the video. So if you want to catch everything live updates and be more equipped and prepared and sharpened and ready for the opportunities, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.